kind and most merciful. Honorable teacher and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Robin, and I am here to share some knowledge regarding cyber security. First of all, the main question is what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is a technical application which protects your data, your devices, and your systems from cyber attacks, which are going right now in worldwide at the peak. Why is cyber awareness important? Cyber is a growing trend. It's going very fast now. Rise awareness of threat as most crime the police can't tackle this problem alone. Means cybercrime is not just cybercrime is a big deal. Police cannot tackle it alone. Police needs ethical hackers to tackle that problem. And to encourage reporting from a government-backed scheme, cyber essential. What is cyber essential? Cyber essential is the foundation of government which is provided to help the cyber attacks which are going through. Cyber security helping us to come out of that problem. Cybercrime is massively reported. Cybercrime, as I told you, is at the peak now. So we should be aware of cybercrime nowadays. Hacking is a tool to hack your data, to take your data, or to make a fraud with you. Hacking is a financial level, political fame. How financial? If you are belonging from an elite family, or if you are finally rich, they can hack your data and they can blackmail you, they can thief your data, they can fraud you with your status. At political level, if you are in a military force, if you are a politician, they will try to blackmail because of your level, your state. And if you are famous, if you are a celebrity, they will also try to make you blackmail because with the help of your data and activism cause. Because if you are not using the proper or secure confirmed websites or applications which you are using, then you can be hacked up by the hackers. Please get help of hackers to solve that cyber crimes. In cyber, make sure that if someone is hacking, there is not a one person. There is a team who is doing all that work. Hacking is not easy. That was what you are thinking. Hacking is done with the team and business. If you are a businessman, they will try to hack your business, your data, what you have in your businesses. They will try to hack that and they will try to blackmail you with the help of it. Ransomware. Ransom is a type of a virus or a malware which prevents or limits users to do not use their data until the ransom has been paid. Common threats of ransom: normally they will send a link, attachment, or from fake email or website. Either they will either lock the screen and keep your data. Once ransom is uploaded, that will not sold easily or that will not remove easily until the data has been formatted or deleted permanently. When WannaCry was a worldwide attack which was done in 2017, and that was done because of their mistakes. They did not update their softwares or applications they were using. That's why they had been affected. And here are how to tackle the ransomware. If you have been going through ransomware virus, then there must be a solution. Hacking means to solve that problem. How backup? First of all, backup your data. If you are using any device in the system, any program, first you have to make a backup of that data and ensure that you are not permanently connected to the network. Keep your software updated. As I told you, WannaCry was affected because their software was not updated. Do not click links from any account, any number, any mail, any website. If you are thinking that is not trusted, if you are thinking they don't trusted, you have to ignore that. You do not have to open that link. And here is phishing. Phishing is also type of virus. You can say it is errorized. They send you errorized message, emails. Like I know, maybe you are going through it. For example, if you are using mobile phone, you may got that message that आपके 50 साल निकले 50 तोला. They don't fake. They try to take your data. That is called phishing. If you are using phone, you get that message. Do not open that link or do not give them your user ID or password. And how to, if you have been gone through that problem phishing, how to tackle it. Do not open the links from any number. Do not give them your personal data, your username or your password. And yes, do not give them personal data. If that number is not trusted, confirm that you know that person who has sent you that message. What should look out of when shopping on the internet? You all know that now we are shopping online. Most of you are online shopping. That make sure you are using a website that STTP, that S stands for secure. If you are using any website, you must have to see that S stands for secure. If you are using any website, do not give them your personal data of your bank accounts. Do not give them credit cards. Do not give them your personal data. If you have any facility to shop from shops, that is good thing. Do not make online shopping because it's also harmful. They can take your data, they can hack your data because of that. Now let's come to public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi is also not secure. Public Wi-Fi is going in all areas. Public Wi-Fi are going in all areas. They can track your IP address and your Wi-Fi can be hacked and shared. So they can also take your data or hack your data from Wi-Fi also. So must use. How to come of that? Do not use not trusted. Don't conduct any purchases online. Try to conduct offline or physical online. And use a virtual network. If you are using any website, you must password advice. If you are using Wi-Fi or any account, you must have to make strong passwords. As you have seen, Google and Facebook are advising you to make strong passwords. If you are using a simplest password like 1, 2, 3, 4, any alphabet, simplest password, they can track your password. If you are using the name, they can also track your password because with the help of dictionaries. So I suggest you to make strong passwords and in physical world, we are protecting ourselves, our properties, our businesses. So similarly, we should protect ourselves in digital world also. So make sure you use QR codes because passwords can be hacked, but QR codes cannot be hacked. Update and migrate means if you are software, because if you are updating applications, they give you many benefits which cannot hack your data. You are the best defense. It means you yourself can protect yourself in digital world and this practical world also. Technology is not a small particle, it's just a small part. You are the most person protect yourself for businesses and the most important and best defense cyber security awareness. Train your stock means if you are making if you are in a company, you have a company, train your staff to protect yourself from hacking. Always be aware and always be on your board. reporting cybercrime. If you are going through the cybercrime, do not stop yourself or do not make silent. You have to make report in. You have to make reports for that. There is a fraud. Do not stop. Do not stop yourself for this. You have to make. You have to make report on that cyber. Cyber Essential is providing you